Hello singers, welcome to this quick vocal warm-up. My name is Marie-Laurence, a singing teacher and vocal coach. Let's wake up your voice and get ready to shine. Whether you're about to sing, speak or record, this quick vocal warm-up will get your voice flowing with ease and clarity. No fluff, just real results. Just before we start, if you love to sing and you want more vocal warm-ups and vocal tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel! Let's start with some lip trills to get the breath moving and loosen up your vocal cords. Inhale. Going. Nice. Next up, the nasal NG sound. This helps stretch your vocal range and activate resonance without tension. Sing. Let's go. Inhale. Sing. Hold the NG. Sing. Let's work on chest voice. Last one. Nice work. Let's go. Last one. Keep it light. Relax your face. Relax your jaw. Let's go. Drop a comment down below and tell me how your voice feels after doing this warm-up. Do this vocal routine daily and your voice will thank you. If you found this vocal warm-up helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up so you can practice this vocal routine again. Until then, see you next time.